Would you like to know what the keys are to financial independence? That's what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. Hi, I'm Camille Gaines. I'm a financial coach, a personal finance author, and I've personally been investing for over 30 years. In this video series, I'm going to share with you the keys to financial independence, what I have found and looking back after all these decades of investing, what I think are really the keys to financial independence. And a lot of this comes from investing, but it also comes from having created multiple streams of income in late midlife so that we could take an early retirement. So I sort of combine the traditional investing, my background with that, and with this multiple income streams as a new way to be and look at creating financial independence. So let me share with you the 4 keys that I want to share with you in this video. I've got 2 other videos that I've done in this series. I didn't want it to be too long so that I had all 12 keys in one video because that would just be too long. So I've broken them up and I can talk a little bit more about each key in the video. So in this video, I want to share with you, first of all, to simply choose or spend rather smartly on investing costs. So many people have no idea how much money they're spending on their investments. So there's nothing wrong with figuring out or finding out, inquiring about how much you're spending for your 401k management, for example, or how much your financial advisor charges, or if you're purchasing a mutual fund, how much the fees are for that mutual fund. And a lot of people avoid that for some reason. I've had people tell me I'm uncomfortable asking my financial advisor how much they charge. What? Why would that be, right? We never mind asking anybody else. Well, maybe some people, but most things that we pay for, we're comfortable knowing how much it costs. And so your investing costs are no different. You want to know how much you're spending on your investments. And so whether that's a mutual fund, a fund, whether that's a commission, if you're buying individual stocks, whether that is a 401k, some sort of retirement plan, anything, always know how much you're spending on your investment accounts and make sure that you're getting your money's worth for what you're paying. That's a really big expense that happens often year in, year out, and it really builds up over time and makes a big difference. The next key that I want to share with you is simply to choose and understand your investments. This doesn't mean that you're investing in the default investments because, well, this was just the easiest thing, or without checking off a different box on your retirement account or whatever it is, you saw that this was the one that was the default investment and you don't really know what it is, but it just seems easy. It's really, really choosing what you're investing in. It's not just saying I'm going to do whatever is expected of me or whatever is the easiest for me to do. It's spending a little time learning about what stocks are, what bonds are, what the dangers are there, what are the risks, what are the potential gains, do they align with my values and what I want, more so probably less values than what it is I'm trying to achieve with my investment. So choose and understand your investments. Don't let it be something that's a default. If someone else is managing this for you, whether it's a family member or financial advisor, it's no different. It's your future, it's your lifestyle, and it should be one of the priorities that you want in your life. I hate the word should, and I just shoulded you, but it is super, super important. Think about it. No one cares about your money more than you do. That's what I'll end that one with that statement. The next key to financial independence is to accumulate funds for life. When you think about I'm accumulating funds for life versus I'm investing for retirement or I'm investing, it feels so different. Accumulating funds for life involves wealth creation, involves wealth building strategies that are probably alternatives to simply, saving a little money and put it in the stock market every month in an index fund. It involves bigger thinking and expansive thinking. And that leads me right into the last key to financial independence. And it's so related to accumulating funds for life. It's I refuse to settle for mediocrity. It's refusing to just say, I'm going with the mainstream. I'm going with what's expected of me. I'm investing in this way. And I don't really know that much about it, but I'm hoping that it will work, and I'm going to take this job because I can get it, and it's limited, or whatever, the economy this, or the politicians, or whatever it is, that so many of us feel pressure to conform with what is expected of us from society. It's refusing to settle for mediocrity and settling for less than what we can be and what we can become and what we can do and have in our lives. So that's what I wanted to share with you in this video. If you found this information helpful, inspiring, I'd love it if you'd let me know by clicking the thumbs up below the video. It means so much to me. And I'll try to remember to put a link down in the description area where you can get the list. It's actually a checklist of the keys to financial independence, and you can just check them out off as you accomplish each one. Thanks for watching.